Welcome to the international biomedical job updates of Australia, New Zealand, Russia, and China. Company name Device Technologies. Location Melbourne, Australia. Role Field Service Technician. Qualification B Biomedical or relevant field. Experience 3 years in relevant field is must. You can directly apply through this contact details. Next company name Johnson and Johnson. Location Scoresby, Australia. Role Associate Clinical Specialist. Qualification B Biomedical or relevant field is required. You can directly apply through this given contact number. Next company name NSW Health Pathology. Location Toba, Australia. Role Medical Laboratory Technician. Qualification B Biomedical or relevant field is must. You can directly apply contract to this number. Next company name Headway. Position Clinical Quality Manager. Location remote work with opportunities in Russia. Qualification advanced degree in healthcare or life sciences preferred. Experience clinical or quality management experience is mostly preferred. Can directly apply through this given details. Next company name Philips. Position scientist ultrasound imaging. Location Shanghai. Qualification relevant PhD. A master's in biomedical engineering fields is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given website. Next company name Siemens Healthineers. Position CT R&D software engineer. Location Shanghai. Qualification bachelor's or master's in software engineering is must. You can directly apply through this given website. Next company name Apply. Position medical advisor. Location Shanghai. Qualification MD or equivalent is must. Experience relevant in medical advisory roles is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given website. Next company name Grampians Health. Location Ballarat, Australia. Role biomedical or electronic supervisor. Qualification B biomedical or electronic engineer is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given details. Next company name Momentum Consulting Group Private Limited. Location Central Australia. Role Field Service Technician. Qualification Advanced Diploma in Electronics or Biomedical Engineering is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given mail ID. Next hospital name Green Slopes Private Hospital. Location Australia. Role Biomedical Engineer. Qualification degree in biomedical engineering or equivalent in relevant qualification. You can directly apply through this given mail ID. Next company name Consilion Private Limited. Role Field Service Technician. Trades and Services. Location Auckland CBD, Auckland. Schedule full time. You can directly apply through this given contact number. Next company name Zoll Medical Corporation. Location Christchurch Central, Canterbury, New Zealand. Role Biomedical Engineer. Schedule full time. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering is mostly preferred. Can directly apply through this given contact. Next company name Workforce Australia. Job description biomedical engineer. Location Seven Hills, New South Wales, Australia. Experience 1 to 3 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given details. Next hospital name the Royal Children's Hospital. Job description biomedical engineer. Location Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. For more information, you can directly contact the manager of biomedical engineering in this given details. Next company name Siemens. Role SSME CT test engineer and validation. Location Shanghai. Education qualification is mostly preferred. Bachelor's degree in working experience with 1 year. You can directly apply through this given contact my lady. Next company name Striker. Position robotic product specialist. Work flexibility is field based employee type. Full time website careers.striker.com. You can directly apply. Next, company name Fresenius Kabi Australia Private Limited. Role Graduate Biomedical Engineer. Location Seven Hills, Sydney, NSW. Schedule full time. You can directly apply through this given contact details. Next, company name Queensland. Role Biomedical Engineer. Clinical engineering is most preferred. Location Britannia, Sunshine Coast, Quality. Schedule full time. You can directly apply through this given website. Next, company name Philips. Position Remote Service Engineer, Image Guided Therapy. Location Remote, Sydney, NSW. Salary is not disclosed. Details support fields engineers and escalate technical issues. You can directly apply through this Philips Careers. Next, company name Queensland Health. Location Southport QLD. Position Biomedical Technician. You can directly apply through this given details.